first. First, get all the acorns out here. How does this one go? Oh yeah. Okay, need to take off this cover and then that cover to access the drain bolts. Okay, these are 10 millimeter. So your drain is back here, and this is your filter. Filter's up there, and your oil drain is right there. So we'll get those going. Drain the oil first. Let's see what that is. 17. Overdue. But it should be okay. Okay, we did the filter next.
Hi, Dad.
Hello.
Look at me.
Hey. In the stroller? Okay. Whoops. Okay, well, that's draining out. Here's your oil filter number. Takes 4 quarts, 0W20. I like to pre-fill filters. You don't have to do this, I like to do it. I like to make sure there's nothing weird going on, make sure it's nice and clean. So, clean that off. Make sure the threads look good. Check out everything else while we're in here. It's looking good though. Good. Spin the new one on. Right, I like to leave these off till we're done just to check for any leaks. Let's get our drain bolt back in after that's cleaned up. This crush washer is still good. You should replace it, but as long as you don't over tighten them each time, you could get a few uses out of them. funnel, throw the oil in. Okay, 4 quarts, 0W20. If you're buying the 5 quarts, it obviously tells you on the back here, so you just want to take it down to the 1 quart mark. They're not completely accurate, so get it close, check it on the dipstick. Almost there. Okay, check that. Okay, we'll start it, let it settle, get it on level ground, and check the dipstick. Okay, it's been sitting for a minute. Check the dipstick. Spot on. Once it sits a little more, it'll probably be right up to the full mark. I always like to check it the next day too, after it's sat all night, just to make sure everything's good. Check for leaks, but other than that, that's it. The cover's back on. Check one more time for leaks under here. That's all just from taking the old filter off. Same there, just residual oil from drinking it. So it's good. Get these back on.